Hey, what's good, people? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Darius, and today and every Thursday I will be giving you guys a quick graffiti tip. A graffiti tip? I like the sound of that. So if you aren't already subscribed and you don't want to miss out on your weekly graffiti tip, then please consider subscribing. Alright, so let's get to this week's tip. Okay, so what we're gonna be looking into today is what I like to call background interactables, elements in your graffiti piece that interacts with your letters. So as you can see in this sketch of mine, it's from 2 years ago, I think. No, from 3 years ago. Right, so as you can see in this one, I have like a green foam or smoke coming from the back of the letters and interacts with the letters. It's coming through the different negative spaces and even warps around the letters. Well, the way to do this is to plan your sketch ahead and draw everything that interacts with the letters while everything is still in pencil. So before you start inking your outline in black. This way you can keep or erase parts that you want to bring in front or to leave them behind. If you ink your letters in black and nothing interacts, like bubbles or clouds or a character that's in front of your piece, then you will lose dynamic of your sketch and also depth. This type of background interactables give your piece a lot of dynamic. It makes it pop, you know. In this other example, as you can see, I had to avoid drawing, inking in black my outline in certain places so that the drips coming from the head can give the illusion that are in front of my piece, and this makes it dramatically more dynamic compared to what it would look like if they were behind. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this week's graffiti tip, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget that this will happen on a weekly basis every Thursday. Be here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.